Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back here to another video. We just got back from an awesome day out on the water, and now it is every boater's favorite time, which is washing the boat. Just kidding. This is one of the times that every boater does not enjoy, is coming back to a dirty boat and having to wash it. I'm glad to say that today's video is sponsored by Better Boat. Better Boat has hooked us up with a bunch of products here to clean our boat and keep our boat looking nice. And that is one thing I love to do, is making sure I maintain my stuff and keep my stuff in good operating order and looking nice. So we're gonna go ahead and use some of these products back here, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I do when I come back from an awesome day out on the water. Let's go. All right guys, so here we have some of the stuff that Better Boat send us over. We have the mildew stain remover. This is gonna help with a lot of those tough to remove stains that we have on the boat. The boat soap concentrate. This is going to be very nice to wash our boat. We have the vinyl protectant. I just actually got brand new front cushions on the boat, bow, and a seat cushion. So this is going to be really nice to keep them nice and keep them looking good for a long time. These boat erasers. I have used these in the past and I cannot tell you how good these are. This will literally eliminate any small stain that you have on the boat. Any hard to get stains, this will take care of them for you. Right here, the boat erasers. And then we got a nice deck brush along with an extension pole for our deck brush. So we're gonna use all these on the boat today, and we're gonna go ahead and see how it turns out. So let's go ahead and get started. Guys, so as you saw, first thing I do is I pre-rinse my boat completely, inside, outside, to get all that salt away. And then I go ahead and I flush the motor, which I already did. And after that, I pick up everything inside, and then I get to washing the boat. So first things first, we got a regular 5-gallon bucket here. We're gonna go ahead and fill it up with some water. All right, so after I have a little bit of water, just about like, I don't know, a few inches of water, I take the soap and I just put a decent amount in there. I don't really measure anything. You might want to read the directions and say, it says 1 capful per gallon basically. I just kind of eyeball it and go with that. So let's go ahead and do it. So there you go. I think that's pretty good. Close it up and then continue filling. Alright, so that's pretty good for me. I'm gonna go ahead and lock it up. And let's go ahead and put the hose inside the boat. And we'll also take the bucket inside the boat. Let's go. Alright, so we'll definitely be using the magic erasers on this one. We'll go ahead and leave them outside and then get them once we're done washing the boat initially. And I'll show you guys how well they work. But let's go ahead and test out this awesome brush. Look at this, man. Super nice, super soft, so it's not gonna stain anything. We're gonna do a little rinse on it first, as you can see, and then we're gonna have to use it. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and jump inside the boat and let's get to it. So everybody has their own way of washing their boats. Throughout the years, I have developed mine. So feel free to use any variation. This is not a video to show you how to wash your boat. It's more just showing you the products. So let's go ahead and get started. What I like to do is do the inside first on mine. And as you can see, there is a couple stains here and there. So those are the ones we will be taking off with the magic eraser as we go along. I like to hit up the trolling motor as well. Get all that. All right guys, so that is the first wash And then we will go ahead and remove the stains and stuff. And then I'll hit it up again real quick. A little bit of more soap. Alright guys, so remember those stains I showed you here earlier? Here we go. We're going to go ahead and use the boat erasers, and I'll show you how well they work to remove those stains. So check these out. Nice big beefy erasers. The nice thing about these is that they don't just fall apart completely. They will hold up to the boat. So what I like to do is just get them a little bit wet and then use them. So let's go ahead and grab the hose. So rinse them a little bit, squeeze them. Then we can go ahead and start using them. Alright, so see the stains right there? Let's go at it. Yeah. Literally comes right off. Got some more stains down here. Those look like scratches. This one is a stain. Gone. So let's continue down here. And they are all gone. There you go. Alright, so I want to show you a spot here where I get a lot of stains with this ram mount I have for my trolling motor. It's always staining the boat right there. So let's go ahead and clean all that up here with the boat eraser. There you go. As you can see, it's already cleaning up. A little bit more left. Almost all gone, just a little smidgen. Completely gone. Look at that. Clean, clean. As you can see, guys, the boat eraser is literally like magic. You guys need to get yourself some of these for any hard to remove stains. This is tremendous help. Check them out. Alright, let's continue with the wash. Let's go. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and hit up the exterior of the boat. Over here in the west coast of Florida, the water is very tannic, so it always stains your boat. So it's crucial to always give it a good wash on the exterior. So we're going to go ahead and rinse everything off. Again, as you can see, everything has dried from me washing the inside, so we're going to go ahead and rinse everything again with fresh water and then hit it up with some soap. For those of you that are curious, the trailer has already been rinsed. What I do every time I come back from saltwater trip, I dump my trailer in a freshwater canal and then rinse the axle and all the hubs and everything, soak in some fresh water, and then I pull it out. And then when I come here, I just have to rinse the front of the trailer and I'm pretty much done. So I'll do that just to make sure all my leaf springs and stuff like that don't get too rusted. So that's a pretty good tip. If you do have the opportunity to dip it into a freshwater canal or a freshwater lake on your way home, that's a plus. Alright guys, so at this point the boat is pretty much clean inside and out. The only thing left to do is to dry everything. So we'll go ahead and do that now, and then I'll spray some of that vinyl protectant on the seats and the cushions. The only thing we're not going to use today is going to be that mildew remover. We don't really have any place to use this today, so I'll go ahead and save it for a time where I could use it, which, trust me, on the boat, mildew and mold and stuff like that always accumulates in small places, so we'll go ahead and hit that up later on. But boat erasers, 100% recommend. These things are a lifesaver when it comes to tough stains. And then that brush and the soap did an amazing job. So one thing I do when I have leftover soap is I'll go ahead and do some of these rags that I use on the boat, and I'll just throw them in there, rinse them off, and clean them a little bit. So I have 2 of them here. I'll toss them in there, and it's like a washing machine. Then rinse off the robes, rinse off my stick pin, and dry everything up. Alright guys, so now I like to get a drying towel here and dry the console, all the stainless steel, and the upholstery. And then we're going to go ahead and apply some of that vinyl protectant. Steering wheel. Gauges. Alright, so this per directions, this just says to apply and then wipe off with a microfiber towel, so that's exactly what we're going to do. So we're just going to apply a little coat over here, around this side, just like so. Then we're going to grab a little microfiber towel and just give it a smooth, not drying it, but just spreading it around. There you go. And then it says it will air dry. We should be good to go. Alright, let's do the same thing for the front one. These are actually my new ones with the bow cushion. To the bow cushion, I take it inside. So do that. Look at that. Shines it up really nice. Alrighty, there we go. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we're all wrapped up washing the boat, cleaning it, drying it, taking care of it with those awesome products from Better Boat. So huge shout out to the guys over at Better Boat for sending over those products for us to try out and to use on our boat. We sure love to keep our things clean and nice, so it works out perfect. If you guys want to do the same, make sure to head over to the description, click on the link over to Better Boat's website. They have a variety of products from cleaning boats to maintaining to safety stuff, so go ahead and check them out. And until next time, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's go.